I'm in conversation with a very affable and a very, very distinct face from the Indian film industry, Deepak Tijori. I have grown watching him. Yeah, and there he is. And I've grown watching him. I mean, not he's not very older to me, but yeah, my college days and all, a lot of it is Ashiki. Who doesn't, I mean, who can forget Ashiki? And so many, Jo Jeeta, of course. There are so many films that we can talk about. Also, there are films that he's directed. It's not just being an actor, he's also directed films. And Deepak, lovely to speak to you. And the first question is because Deepak is from Baroda and I'm from Baroda. Deepak is not from Baroda, but he has connections in Baroda. So tell me about
Yeah.
how you are connected and have you been there and what was your last visit, everything.
Yeah, I mean, actually, my dad, when he wanted to retire, because I'm a half Guju and a half Parsi Irani.
Hmm.
So my obviously my parents, when my dad wanted to retire, so he said कि यार मैं ऐसी जगह जाना चाहता हूँ जो बॉम्बे की भीड़ भाड़ से दूर है. So then
Right.
he looked around for Gujarat because being a Gujarati, he wanted to settle down somewhere in Gujarat. Then he went to Ahmedabad, then he went to one more place, and then he went to Baroda. And I think he loved Baroda, the feel of it, and then the kind of, so he felt that that was a guy kind of a right place. So then they settled down there. They took a house over there, and then they settled down there. And obviously, I visited them, and I've had some good times with them over there. And then, unfortunately, they passed away. So then I finally kind of disposed of the property, and I'm back to Mumbai. I've always been a Mumbai guy, and always
Yeah.
been here.
But did
Yeah.
you have relatives in Baroda when your parents were
No,
there?
no, 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 no,
No.
no, 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 no relatives. No, actually, all my relatives are also over here only in Bombay.
Mumbai.
It's like a Bombay family. There were seven brothers and sisters, and they were all out here in Bombay. So they're all kind of spaced out
I
here.
think most of my people from Baroda will be very happy to have even this connection that Deepak Tijori had parents who lived in Baroda. That's also good.
Yes, yes. No, no, no. I still have a friend who actually acted with me. He comes from a very affluent family. He's the son of one of the very big painter over there,
Okay.
Rodvithia. I don't know if you know about
Rekha
Rodvithia.
Rodvitiya. Rekha, I know
Yeah.
Rekha's
So
okay.
yeah.
Okay, okay.
So
Baroda is
maybe
like
that
a
could be the
small
son.
village. Yeah, everybody knows everybody. Yeah.
Okay. So
Okay.
Mithun is a very close. He's like my brother. He's very
Ah,
close
okay.
to me.
Oh,
Whenever
amazing.
he's in Bombay, and he acts with me. For the last film that I did, he did a very major role, and
Okay.
yeah, I'm just waiting. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I mean, yeah, when I was in Baroda, he was always there with me.
It's fabulous. Also, the fact that all this calm demeanor that you see of Deepak, he's actually injured his foot. So that shows that he's a great actor.
Well, yeah, I have to speak from my mouth, so I'm okay with it.
No, no, but I know of actors who've had some little sprain and they've said, okay, shoot नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि पैर दुख रहा है.
हाँ, वो
आपने
वो
कभी
वैसे
ऐसे नहीं
होते हैं
किया?
बहुत.
आपने ऐसे नहीं किया? And
नहीं, इनफैक्ट मुझे
you have
याद है
done
एक
it?
मेरा एक्सपीरियंस था. नहीं, मैंने एक बार ऐसा हुआ था कि राजा नटवरलाल की शूटिंग थी कुछ सालों पहले. और मैंने वो रोल ऐसे ही बिकॉज इट केम थ्रू भट्ट साहब, एंड भट्ट साहब का ही
Right.
असिस्टेंट था. पीएडी कर रहा था, और इमरान और मैं शूट कर रहे थे गाना टाउन में.
जी.
और आई हैव यूरिक एसिड प्रॉब्लम, सो आई हैव गाउट. सो गाउट की वजह से वो यूरिक एसिड के क्रिस्टल्स जमा होते हैं पैर में, और वो बहुत परेशान करते हैं.
हम्म.
और उन दिनों में वो गाना शूट हो रहा था. तो
अच्छा.
मैं शूट पे था बिकॉज आई कुडंट कैंसिल इट. देयर वर अबाउट
हम्म.
50-70 डांसर्स एंड ऑल दैट. एंड
हम्म.
आई रिमेंबर दैट आई हैड टू वेयर शूज. तो मैं जूता निकालता पहनता, एंड आई वाज लाइक faltering on my step, and finally Amy
हम्म.
had to ask me कि क्या bro, what's happening?
हम्म.
I said, oh, I am dancing with gout attack on my foot. And he also apparently has a gout problem. So he is like, oh my God. He said, stall the shoot. Then he calls the director. He says, do you even have any idea what you're putting him through? So I said, you can't even move. You can't even walk. You can't put your foot down. And he's dancing here. So I said, no, no, I've taken like in a pop 2, 3 painkillers. And I'm surviving this because I didn't want to cancel the shoot and all that. So
हम्म.
generally, I come from a school that we respect.
Time.
We give time, and we give assurance to somebody, and we give whatever commitment, then we want to go through with it.
Okay,
I believe I come from that school.
yeah, yeah, I understand. So what are the advantages of being good? There are a
Oh,
lot
they
of
are really
disadvantages. I'm talking about the
the
advantages.
disadvantages, yeah. So I guess, yeah, the world is kind of tilted now, not too kind to the good people,
Yeah.
but I still haven't lost my
Goodness.
ability to be good. So I said I will take the, kind of things on me like a man, and I take it all, and I'm surviving. I'm fine with it so far, so good.
Yeah. Because, yeah, right from the beginning, the fact that your roles and whatever has happened to you, which could have been you as a central character and went to other people who are
Yeah.
very prominent today, you
Yeah.
just took it very happily. I mean, the fact that there was a little bit of a thing, but it was okay.
Yeah.
You just let it
Yeah. Yeah.
very easily. So that
Yeah,
shows
very much.
great, generous
Very.
heart. It's not easy to be that generous.
Yeah, I know, I know. I've been a little over generous, but I think that's something which even my friends knew then, who were
Mm.
asking me for favors. So they knew about it. So I said, okay. I said, ठीक है, तू कर ले. So it was like that. But I guess, yeah, part and parcel of my share of life, I have really had fun. 90s to 2000, I've enjoyed my work. But somewhere along the line, I felt that, I was just being a little too kind to everybody and accepting and doing favors, and that was kind of deteriorating uh,
Yeah.
uh, my
Yeah.
own career.
Yeah.
and
But I,
and I felt that I should not be doing this, because I know I can do so much more, I can offer so much more, and
mm.
there's so much more to me which people even haven't seen. And if I start just doing this, then they will never get to see what I can offer.
Right.
So then I put a stop to it. Manju, I felt that it's important that I give a clean break. So it was very difficult, though, in the last 20 years, not to no तेल बेचना, no घुटनों का ये बेचना, no रुद्राक्ष बेचना, और नो टीवी करना. बहुत तकलीफ हुई. लेकिन I survived those 20 years of my life. But
Mm.
I think I'm going to reap the fruits now. I'm crossing fingers, because I think I let my salt and pepper be the way they are, because that's what I want to do. I want to play my age.
Mm.
And I definitely want to do something which I've always been wanting and desiring to do.
Mm.
Certain kind of cinema, Manju,
Right.
I always attempted then कि
Mm.
यार मेरे को भी ऐसा कुछ सिनेमा मिल जाए, मुझे ऐसी भी फिल्में भी करनी है. बिकॉज उस टाइम पे मैं हार्डकोर कमर्शियल फिल्में कर करके एक दिन क्या हुआ था कि मैं हॉलीडे में, हम लोग सब स्ट्रगलर लोग, यहाँ का जूहू का जो हॉलीडे, आप बॉम्बे से वाकिफ हो ना?
I know, I know. Mm.
Okay, so Novotel it has become now.
Mm.
So over there, I was obviously we used to hang around there in the coffee
Mm.
shop and the pool side and all. And over there, Dayal Nilani was sitting over there. Okay, and Dayal Nilani for us was like Ardha Satya and this and that, and like, oh my God, at that phase, 90s, mid 90s, just Abhi Kabhi Haan Kabhi Na और जो जीता और वो सब हुआ था. और मैं दीपक तिजोरी बन गया था. तो फिर भी मुझे ये था कीड़ा कि यार, नसीर साहब को देखो यार, ओमपुरी जी को देखो यार, क्या सिनेमा है यार, वो सिनेमा मुझे भी करना है. तो मैंने जैसे ही दयाल जी को देखा ना, दयाल सर वाज सिटिंग अलोन वेटिंग फॉर
Right.
समबडी.
Right.
And I took the opportunity and I just kind of went on to his table and I said के सर 1 मिनट ले लूं आपका? अरे हाँ दीपक, बैठो, बोलो. सर मुझे ना अब आपके साथ काम करना है, प्लीज, आपकी फिल्मों में. So
Mm.
he just kind of stared at me, looked at me. Pause, huh? There was a kind of pause. So I said, what happened? Did I say something so rude? So he says, Deepak, you can never work with me. And I heard that, never work with me. I said, why, sir? I can act. No, no, of course you can act, but you're a highly commercial property. And
Mm.
you don't fit into this world.
Yeah.
And I was so dejected. I can't tell you, Manju. I was like, oh my God, it's like पूरा धरती खिसक गया कि ये सिनेमा में अभी मेरे को ट्राई भी नहीं करना चाहिए, जाना भी नहीं चाहिए.
Mm.
बट कट्टू, मैंने ये सब छोड़ दिया. 20 साल हो गए. And fortunately, I'm living with this salt and pepper and this and that. And now, fortunately, I was just coming out of my nature's basket.
Supermarket. Yeah.
And yeah, supermarket. And this director of, Veena Bakshi, she's a lady director, and she's been a director for over like decades as an ad filmmaker.
Mm.
But I
Mm.
didn't know she had started doing movies, and she had done some movie with Nasir Bhai
Mm.
and got a national award also.
Mm.
And she bumps into me and she looks at me and she says, "Oh my God, Deepak, you look like this." I said, "Yeah." So she happens to be a
People used to
sister
look
of.
like this.
So, she was like, I said, कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया क्या? She said, नहीं, नहीं. I said, you know what? Actually, I had something in my mind. I was going elsewhere. So can you read something? So I said,
Oh.
I would love to read it. So, I said, okay, I'll read it. Of course, I'll read it. I've been looking for something like whatever is there, just send me.
Yeah.
And it was a beautiful, matured couple love story which she
Mhm.
had written.
Right.
And I just loved the script. And I said, are you sure you okay for me to do? He said, no, I want you to really consider this.
Hmm.
So I said, I'm more than happy to look at it and I would love to do this. So finally, we finished that film. And that
Right.
film is going to come out sometime in the first quarter in 25
Oh,
now. And
congratulations.
it's a beautiful film. It's a film called Ittar. So, I mean, finally, I got that cinema. You know, what I mean to
The
say is
kind
the
you were
idea
looking
was,
for. Yeah.
yeah, and, because in commercial world, I was getting stuck and I used to fight with Bhatt Saab a lot. I said, Bhatt Saab, kya hai Bhatt Saab? Ye matlab, in fact, he had tried to put me as a hero. I'll come to that. But I kept on arguing with me कि क्या यार भट्ट साहब इधर दोस्त बनाया उधर दोस्त बनाया इधर गाना गवाया I said अभी तो he genuinely said to me, he said, and because I was very close to Pooja, his
Yeah.
daughter, he used to see us as friends that I used to be very protective and very, very great friend to her, which
Mm.
I'm still with her.
Mm.
So she's always been a friend and she's always in, whether we meet now and then after 5 years, it's,
Yeah.
how you friends
Yeah.
are connecting. So we gel. And that's when he said to me, he said, okay, you are a genuine friend. And
Mm.
that's the reason it comes across so strong on
Mm.
screen
Mm.
that, that is something which comes at ease with you. And then I cannot think of anybody
Mm.
else to play a friend than you. So, that's how it started going on and on. But he never, at a point after 5 years down the line, when he thought that I should play the lead, and then Mukesh Bhatt comes into the scene and says, I can't take Deepak as the hero. You want to give him any important role you give him. I have to sell the film. I can't do this. So, that film kind of fizzled out.
Yeah.
But that's
But
how
today,
the kind of
today, today is the era of the character actor. It's not the era
yes,
of
that's the wonderful part. That it's a content-driven cinema which works
right.
because of the OTT
Mm.
coming into the play. And
Right.
I'm so happy for that because I'm getting scripts to read, I'm getting
Yeah.
calls, and I feel that, yes, of course, I've been wanting to do this kind of cinema. So there are a couple of more scripts which have come to my way, and I'm really excited. So I think being bringing in OTT has definitely given work to lots, but
Yes.
I'm definitely happy with the fact that it is given not just work as in work, but lot of talent, which
Mm.
was hidden, which was not even getting an exposure because of the mundane, typical cinema
And
and the
yeah, yeah,
formula
typical
cinema
way.
that we used to live in.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
now it is so much that is the influx of actors that we see on OTT, and I feel, अरे यार इसकी उम्र तो बिल्कुल मेरे से थोड़ी सी कम है मतलब इतने साल इसने
Mm.
इस ऐसी जिंदगी में गुजारे.
What about direction? Are you now happy being
Yeah,
an
so direction was something which I actually, when I was an actor now, I was always having a kida of going
actor?
behind the camera
Mm.
and being with Bhatt Saab. And Bhatt Saab was one director who used to allow us. Like
Mm.
अगर जोजीता का बात करो तो जोजीता में मंसूर एडिटिंग रूम में कभी नहीं आने देता
Mm.
था. नॉट अलाउड. पर भट्ट साहब हम लोग के साथ में हम लोग वहीं पे बैठते थे. मैं हूँ, राहुल है, हम लोग सब भट्ट साहब के साथ एडिटिंग रूम में बैठते थे. वो कुछ एडिटिंग कर रहे हैं तो हम लोग सीख रहे हैं. फिर वो बता रहे हैं कि ये सीन डाल इधर, ये सीन इधर से इधर डाल. एंड दैट टाइम ना मंजू देयर वाज नो स्क्रिप्ट. They
Mm.
never had scripts. Like
Right.
अभी हम लोगों के
Found
पहले
it.
से we
Mm.
know what's the beginning. Of
Yeah.
course, Bhatt साहब had it in his mind that what's the
हाँ.
beginning, what's the middle, what's the end. But जैसे schedule आएगा ना उसके पहले he used to sit with the writer and say चल अभी ये सीन करने हैं, ये सीन्स लिखते हैं, और वो सीन्स लिखने बैठते थे. तो
Okay.
ऐसे करके हम लोग फिल्में करते थे. ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ 1 year, 6 months, 9 months, we used to do one film. Because that's the reason when those days we used to do multiple films. कि बस 4 दिन अब अगर मैं आशिकी कर रहा हूँ तो फिर बाकी के 24 दिन क्या करूंगा. तो
Mm.
ऐसे करके हम लोग इतने सारी मल्टीपल फिल्म्स करते थे उस टाइम पे.
Mm.
बट देन ऑफ कोर्स थिंग्स चेंज नाउ. ऑफ कोर्स वन
Yeah.
फिल्म एट अ टाइम वी कैन डू.
Right.
बट दोज डेज बिकॉज इट वाज लाइक दैट वी वर डूइंग that kind of cinema, so we had enough time. So we
Mm.
used to go to the editing, and that's the time when I used to learn a lot, and I used to feel कि यार ये बहुत कमाल चीज होती है direction, because it is
Mm.
not a joke.
Yeah.
And to understand cinema, to make cinema is such a beautiful journey. And that's when I thought that, after when I decided to take a break, I took to television as a producer, not as a director. And I
Mm.
had a lot of friends who came in as directors on my panel of production house. I
Right.
used to make those Saturday Suspense, X Zone, Thriller
Ah,
at 10.
yeah. Okay.
So
Yes, I
those
remember.
were all, yeah. So those were all made under my company. Various companies were there, but mine was a very primary company, and I had almost all my director friends from Anurag Basu to Vikram Bhatt, who are now really big
Yeah,
names.
yeah.
They were all on the panel, and I used to say every month, "तुम लोग ये बनाओ, तुम लोग ये बनाओ," and I made. And unfortunately, I got a couple of awards in those years as a thriller maker. But
Okay.
then the
Is that
SARS
your favorite
boom.
genre as well? You like
That
that?
I've always loved. I've always loved that action, in the sense action as in like, spy universe,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
covert films,
Yeah.
and suspense thrillers. So I've
बेसिकली
loved
जो
those.
आजकल ओटीटी को पसंद है.
जो ओटीटी को पसंद है, तो मैं तो एंजॉय कर रहा हूँ. आई एम थ्रिल्ड.
This is your okay.
Yeah,
Right.
totally,
Also about
totally.
your first directorial. Tell me about it. I remember that film. I
You
remember that
do.
dance in the film with that girl. I mean, first the silhouette होता है पता नहीं चलता है. Then of course you have two
Uh,
women there, Ravina and Pooja. So yeah, tell me about that.
Yeah. So that was my first film as a producer, but I never gave my name to it
Uh-huh.
because that time the door was different. But Ashutosh Gowarekar and all of us were friends,
Mm-hmm.
and we were in Goa shooting for Kabhi Haan Kabhi Na, and Ashu was going through a phase, and he was trying through Shah Rukh also to get a film, to Amir also, and then finally, I gelled something. He narrated to me, I liked it, so we decided that okay, chalo banate hain, and then we were all kind of friends who got together. Pooja was close to me, Ravina was close to me.
Uh,
Then, Ashu brought in Shah Rukh that time, Amir, and all these people for that one
yes,
scene, which is a
yes,
unique
yes.
moment of life. So I guess probably that is how we started making like Masti में वो film.
Ah,
एंड
okay.
मस्ती इतनी होती थी कि मुझे याद है कि हम लोग का अगर शाम को 7 o'clock की शिफ्ट होती, नाइट की फिल्म थी, तो
Hmm.
नाइट में हम लोग को शिफ्ट होती है, तो 7 to 2 की शिफ्ट है या 7 to 5 की शिफ्ट है, तो लोग नॉर्मली पहुंचते हैं 7 बजे, फिर 8-9 बजे शूटिंग शुरू होती है. हमारे सेट पे हम लोग सब 5 साढ़े 5 बजे पहुंच जाते थे. 6 बजे हम लोग डमशराज खेलते थे, और खेलने के बाद हम लोग फिर शूटिंग शुरू कर बोला, भाई अभी शूटिंग करें क्या, चलो अभी चलो काम करते हैं. So
Hmm.
it was that much of,
More like
so
that.
much fun
Yeah.
we had. It was great time. And of course, Pehla Nasha didn't work on the box office.
Right.
But yes, I mean, for me, it'll always have a special place. And
Yeah.
for Ashu also, it holds a special place. He does.
Okay, tell me about music and you, Tijori music. And first of
Ah.
all, do you sing? Do you sing?
No, no, I'm very bad at it. But
Yeah.
I have sense of songs. If you listen to my movie songs, you will like them. I mean,
Yeah.
they are hummable, they're going to be having harmony, they're going to be
And you like
though
the
that's
90s music you're getting back, right?
yes, I am always living with them, and I'm seeing to it that I'm getting even my younger generation to, if they're watching me, then they better learn that's the music,
Yeah,
and
because
that's the
you can remember them. They are beautiful songs. There is a certain
ah,
plethora of songs that you go back to. If it is not the old ones, really old ones, when they do the
yeah,
Antakshari,
not 60s, 70s,
ah,
yes.
then the
But
90s,
yeah, but
the
those were
songs
also
are,
the 90s. Yeah, my
yeah.
God. I mean, what? And something, I was never into so much into lyrics also in 90s when I was acting in them.
Uh-huh.
When I was even doing work as an
Oh,
actor, and I used to just privilegedly perform the songs and get out of it.
hmm.
You'll be surprised. 2 years ago, when I started doing
Breathing.
this, I would understand the meaning of the songs. And
Tone.
actually, I picked up the phone and I called Sameer Saab. And I
Acha.
said, Sameer Saab, yeah. And I
इतने
said, I'm
सेकंड
not, I'm a shameless man because I felt that, if I like somebody, I
a
must like,
very big
I tell
tube light. This is a tube light
yeah,
moment.
yeah, total tube light. So I called Sameer Saab. I said, Sameer Saab, please don't mind me. But इतने साल बाद मैंने रियलाइज किया कि आपने
ये
क्या
गाने
लिखा है. आपने क्या क्या गाने लिखे हैं, क्या किया है आपने, मतलब मेरी
Tell me your
हालत खराब हो.
favorite song from Ashiki, which is the one that you love the most.
See, there are two things I'll tell you about Ashiki. And those days, now,
Hmm.
my favorite song was the climax song. When they're splitting up and he's recording the song.
अब तेरे बिन
Hmm.
जी
अब
लेंगे
तेरे बिन जी लेंगे हम.
ये हम.
Because that time I was going through a breakthrough,
हाँ,
and
अच्छा.
it was a
Match
breakup,
with your lifestyle,
So
life
it matched.
story.
और जब शूटिंग पे जाते थे ना, तो गाड़ी में मैं ड्राइवर को बोलता था, लगा गाने, यही गाना लगा. तो साहब दूसरे गाने भी सुन लिया करो, वो मैं रिपीट मोड पे लगाता था. और
Personal
गाड़ी में मैं चलता था।
connection.
हाँ, पर्सनल कनेक्शन था। तो मैं वो गाने से बहुत रिलेट करता था, उस टाइम पे था।
हाँ.
लेकिन बाद में मतलब मैंने एज आई सेड टू यू कि मैंने गाने लिरिक्स में कभी ध्यान नहीं दिया। पर
Hmm.
अब मैं जब मैंने बाद में 90s के गाने बजाने शुरू किए तो माय गॉड, व्हाट लिरिक्स, व्हाट
Yeah.
सॉन्ग्स।
Yes.
So I think most of the songs of Ashiki were incredible, yaar.
Yeah.
I mean, can't tell you that this is one of my favorite. मतलब even the first song itself when it starts and the तू है तू ही जिंदगी है तू मेरी
Hmm.
जिंदगी है, my God.
Yeah.
I mean, I think that whole era of 10 years that Nadeem Shravan put us through was, I think, miraculous. It was wonderful.
But
And
you very interestingly have not picked up songs in which you were featured, which is Dheere Dheere Se or Chale
yeah,
Chale.
yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. No, I do like Dheere Dheere Se very much.
Yeah.
Of course, I love that. Even the picturization I loved because the way it was taking the
Beautifully done.
story
Yeah. Yeah.
beautifully done. And that was I would give the credit to Bhatt Saab ke साथ साथ में even Raju Khan, because that time Raju was very new and he was very innovative and he was going a little out of the
Right.
box and doing everything. So I
Hmm.
think it was the correct time. And trust me, when Ashiki was being made, it was being made like for a 40 लाख की फिल्म थी यार। और
Hmm.
हम
Hmm.
लोगों को लगा कि ये टीवी पे आएगी, जैसे
Hmm.
गुलशन
फिर
जी
तेरी
ने लाल
कहानी क्या
दुपट्टा
बात.
मलमल का किया था ना। तो लाल दुपट्टा मलमल का was made like that कि छोटी फिल्म है। तो हम लोग वैसे वैसे सोच के कर रहे थे। क्यों
कंपैरिजन
आसिफ?
गलत है. Sorry.
क्यों?
Comparing which film to which,
या
please. नहीं.
but listen, the songs of Lal Dupatta had become a hit. So
Song.
Gulshan Kumar, what he did कि पहले गाने हिट किए, बाद
हाँ.
में उन्होंने बोला कि इसकी फिल्म बनाओ। उन्होंने यही किया था आशिकी में भी।
Hmm.
एक्चुअली स्पीकिंग, द स्टोरी बिहाइंड आशिकी इज कि गाने चल गए, गाने बहुत अच्छे बन गए, तो उन्होंने भट्ट साहब को बुलाया, भट्ट साहब ये गाने
हाँ.
सुनिए,
अच्छा.
इसके ऊपर फिल्म बनाइए। तो
हाँ.
भट्ट साहब ने उसके हिसाब से बनाया, और फिर वो फिल्म अपनी कहानी बन गई, और फिर उसमें गाने और ऐड किए। सो
अच्छा.
the
Sahil
amazing
Chadda
part.
and Viverly were the actors.
Yeah, my God. Yes. But what songs are, oh my God,
Song
amazing. Yeah.
जबरदस्त. Yeah. क्या
That
करते
man,
साजना तुम
seriously.
मुझसे दूर रहकर, and all the songs. Yeah, yeah.
कमाल के गाने, नहीं कमाल के गाने, सीरियसली।
And
बहुत मजा
जोजीता
आया।
के कौन से फेवरेट गाने हैं आपके?
पहला नशा तो ऑफ कोर्स है ही है यार, उसमें तो कोई डाउट ही नहीं है। बट
हाँ.
यहाँ के हम सिकंदर इज अगेन, द वे इट वाज पिक्चराइज्ड वाज अमेजिंग। आई
Yeah.
लव द ऑन स्क्रीन पिक्चराइजेशन ऑफ
Hmm.
यहाँ के हम सिकंदर, माय गॉड,
Yeah.
दैट वाज अमेजिंग। So I guess Mansoor and Jatin Lalit was a very good combination again,
Hmm.
brilliant combination। तो
Hmm.
वो सब चीजें एक्चुअली में अभी तो साला बहुत मिस करते हैं यार अपन,
हाँ.
बहुत क्रेजी है।
और सिंपल होते थे. They are not difficult to understand. The lyrics are
नो,
also very
they are
simple.
hummable also ना मंजू, they are so
हाँ.
hummable, you know hum them। मेरे को
Yeah.
ये गाना नहीं समझ में आता unless and until they have some very
Simple.
unique
Yeah.
songs which come up nowadays once in a while।
Yeah.
वरना एक हाँ हम लोग हम करेंगे यार, बताओ इसमें ऐसी
डांस करने के लिए
सिचुएशन।
गाने बनते हैं ना. Largely today
हाँ
songs are made for
यार,
dancing, not listening.
या एब्सोल्युटली, गाड़ी में बजाने के लिए है ही नहीं। वैसा है। गाड़ी में, अगर आपको गाड़ी में बैठ के डांस करना है तो है,
बहुत
वरना
गाने हैं.
हमारे गाने, हाँ तो बहुत है। हमारे गाने तो वैसे होते थे कि हम लोग लॉन्ग ड्राइव पे जाएंगे तो वो चलते ही रहेंगे।
And it's
सो अभी,
beautiful. They're very emotion based. And Hindi
हाँ,
cinema का सबसे बड़ा cultural, I think, giveaway to the world, especially to
यस,
people like us, is the fact that every flicker of emotion has a song. Like
एब्सोल्युटली
हल्के
एब्सोल्युटली।
हल्के flicker of emotions के एक एक गाने कुछ तो एक emotion को depict करते ही हैं over the years. And we have such a legacy of memory which is equal to songs.
यस,
कोई भी मेमोरी ले
अमेजिंग,
लो, एक गाना होगा या चार गाने होंगे जो उस मेमोरी से जुड़े हुए हैं. And it is
जुड़े
not
हुए।
easy. So your music is going to be now adding to that memory, chest of
Yeah,
memories.
I'm just trying to make music which makes sense, which
Okay.
is, I've just in fact put in the second song ka teaser today. So
Okay.
I have also the purpose of making this, because I went through a lot of frustration in my last release that I made,
You had
because
to
I
ask
made
for
this
permission for your own film
my
songs.
own song. I mean, I was feeling so bad. And today I am on my reel, when I've used one of the song as a on my reel, I've used it today. In fact, today
Copyright
I got a notification.
infringement.
Yeah, I said, अबे ओ मैं मालिक हूँ, प्रोड्यूसर मैं हूँ, मेरे को नोटिफिकेशन भेज रहे हो तुम लोग यार।
हाँ, हाँ,
मतलब
हाँ.
ये हालत हो गई है। So
Right.
that's why I'm feeling so bad about it. So in fact, I have opened this whole bloody
Hmm.
label thing is also not just for myself,
Hmm.
but for also people who are not getting an opportunity because they a lot of big labels. Unfortunately, I come across a lot of musicians today who have been treated so badly. Yeah, they just don't even acknowledge them. They just said कि आप यहाँ छोड़ जाओ. हम
So the goodness
बताएंगे.
continues in another form, is what you're saying.
Goodness, goodness, goodness. Paid forward. You know, I've seen the
And you're
movie
not
Paid
learning your
Forward.
lessons. It's okay.
I'm,
It doesn't matter.
yeah, no, I'm not. Yeah, I guess so. Probably that's what my friends say. अरे अब तो सुधर जा.
और
सुधर
व्हाट्सएप
जा
नहीं
means कि
यूज
अब बिगड़
करने
जा.
का क्या सीक्रेट है? व्हाई आरंट यू यूजिंग व्हाट्सएप?
एक्चुअली व्हाट्सएप का कोई मतलब नहीं है बिकॉज सी आई मैसेज पे हम लोग सब कुछ एक्सचेंज कर सकते हैं. और
हम्म।
व्हाट्सएप का जो गुड मॉर्निंग गुड नाइट और वो जय
अच्छा,
श्री
इसीलिए यू
कृष्ण
आर
और ये
अफ्रेड ऑफ
सब
द
जो
ग्रुप
आता है ना
चैट्स।
वो जो टॉर्चर है ना वो बहुत खराब है यार. बहुत
इसीलिए।
खराब. तो
ओके।
आई सेड कि यार मैं ठीक हूं ना ऐसे ही गुड मॉर्निंग गुड नाइट के बगैर. आई डोंट वांट. आई एम फाइन. And it's
राइट।
absolutely a happy time I have, and I enjoy because every time a film starts, also another problem is Manju, what happens is every time a film starts, they make a group. और उस ग्रुप के अंदर हर इंसान अपनी क्रिबिंग करता है, अपनी रोने
एक ग्रुप
धोता
नहीं
है.
होता है ना, आई एम श्योर एक ग्रुप नहीं बनता है। सेपरेट अलग ग्रुप्स ही बनते हैं, जिनकी बनती है उनका ग्रुप, जिनका नहीं बनता है उनका ग्रुप। फिर
नहीं नहीं, एक्चुअली अगर आप डायरेक्टर हो ना और आप अगर एक्टर नहीं हो, अगर आप डायरेक्टर हो और टेक्निकल टीम में हो तो
हाँ
सारे टेक्निकल टीम के हेड्स उसमें किट किट किट
हाँ
किट 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 करके डालेंगे.
हाँ।
तो फ्रॉम आर्ट डायरेक्टर टू द डीओपी, अरे मेरे पेपर कहाँ है, अरे मेरा ब्लू पेपर नहीं आया, अरे इसको बोल ये लाने के. सो ऑल दैट कीप्स ऑन कमिंग. सो
राइट।
आई फाउंड अ इजी सॉल्यूशन. आई गेट माय एसोसिएट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट ग्रुप, एंड इफ देयर इज एनीथिंग इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी ही विल टेल मी. सो
एंड
दैट्स
बट
हाउ आई
यू आर ओनली अवेलेबल ऑन मैसेजिंग, नॉट।
मैसेजिंग.
अच्छा, इसमें
मैसेजिंग इज
ग्रुप
मोस्ट.
चैट से डर के, एक्चुअली दिस इज व्हाट आई कैन से।
हाँ.
दीपक
Yeah, chat,
इज अफ्रेड ऑफ ग्रुप चैट्स।
group chats, and group chats. और ये जो another thing is that today when you meet people and when you talk about actors, when you meet actresses and actors, तो किसी को भी जैसे ही मिलते हैं तो वो बोलते सर आपका नंबर. और जैसे ही नंबर लेते हैं वो सीधा अपना शो रील, अपने फोटोग्राफ्स, और अपने एक एक फोटो होते हैं लड़कियों के 20 MB 23 MB. तो दाड़ दाड़ करके आ
अच्छा,
जाते हैं
ये
अपने
डर है,
व्हाट्सएप.
अभी समझ आया। ये दिस इज ऑल द फियर।
बहुत
दिस इज
बहुत
लाइक।
प्रॉब्लम होता है यार. तो मैं बोला ठीक है ना, हम लोग खुश हैं. अगर किसी को बहुत जरूरत होगी वो मैसेज करेगा.
How interesting. I think a lot of life is more peaceful without too much of this technology in you, right? That's a good
Absolutely,
idea.
absolutely. I'm blessed. I feel blessed about
I
it
think very
totally.
few people use messages, but you are one of them. It's nice, actually.
Yeah, in fact, nowadays I've also got used to the fact that suppose if I send you a message and if you don't respond to me, I don't feel hurt because I know that nobody looks at messages. They'll see it maybe after 2 days, they'll see it after a day and a half, and they say, "अरे यार दीपक, I'm sorry." मैं बोला मालूम मालूम है, आगे का मेरे को मालूम है. Just send me what you want to say.
So you're happily
तो मैं
avoiding a
totally
lot.
used to.
अच्छा, it's a good
मैं
idea.
मैसेज डाल के छोड़ देता हूँ और भूल जाता हूँ कि मुझे रिस्पॉन्स आज आ
हाँ,
जाएगा.
because WhatsApp में वो बात होता है ना कि
तो आई
मुझे
एम
मैसेज
वेरी.
देखा पर मैसेज नहीं किया and all that.
हाँ.
This is a better advantage.
हम्म.
Okay, very good.
या ये तो सबसे ज्यादा फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग है पता है.
हाँ, when someone's
कि
not
देखा
responding.
और मैसेज नहीं आया, जवाब नहीं आया. सीरियसली.
Wonderful. So it's lovely to speak to you, and we are short of time as usual. But yes,
ओके.
मजा आया बात करके, and looking forward to your
मजा है.
film and all that you do.
या एंड इफ आई कम टू दुबई आई विल कॉल
We
यू
will
बाबा. आई
meet.
हैव
We'll meet for
पक्का.
sure.
I
Yeah.
would love to catch up with you and we'll do
Yes.
lots more talking that time.
Yes, for
Yeah.
sure. Thank you so much for speaking to me. Chalo, bye.
Thank you lots.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. See ya.